welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna start a workout series. Now, I have not done a workout video on my channel in years, okay? I think the last video I did might have been like 3 years ago at my old apartments, honestly. But we're getting back to it. We're gonna start back moving our body. I want to get rid of my core because I got a core problem after having my baby. So I really want to get this stomach down, get in shape, get strong so that I can keep up with that little toddler that's 2 doors down. You hear me? So in today's video, we're going to be doing some jumping rope. We're going to be doing weighted dead, I think it's called the dead bugs for my core. I did that last night and I definitely feel it. So we're going to do it again today in today's video. And we're going to be doing some glute work. We're going to be doing some regular squats. And that is going to be on the menu for today's workout. So before we get started, make sure you like this video, comment your favorite workout, comment like some workout motivation, some motivational quotes to help me on this journey because I'm bringing y'all along, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If nothing else, that's the easiest way you can support what I'm doing over here, okay? So without further ado, let's get started.